Good morning, students. Students, today we will do in chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shape, exercise 5.5. So let's start with question 1. In question number 1, they are saying which of the following are model for perpendicular lines. Firstly, I will tell you what are the perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other and make a angle of 90 degree, we call it perpendicular lines. Clear? Suppose if I draw plus sign. Clear? Now they are intersecting. They are intersecting at O, and what they are making? They are making angle of 90 from all these sides. So these type of figures are called, these type of lines are called perpendicular lines. Clear? Now on the behalf of this thing, we will do question 1. Question 1 is, which of the following are models for perpendicular line? The edges of the tabletop. Have you seen the edges? Means lines of the tabletop. Adjacent means next to each other. If I see the edges of a tabletop, what they are making, if I talk about these two lines, what they are making? Perpendicular lines, because they are making the angle of 90. So when they make the angle of 90, they are perpendicular lines. So adjacent make perpendicular lines? Yes. So answer is perpendicular lines. Clear? Now next one, the lines of a railway track. The lines of a railway tracks, are they perpendicular? No, they are not intersecting and not making 90 degree angle. They are parallel. So answer is not perpendicular. Clear? You write not perpendicular. Then come the line segment forming L. Letter L, they are intersecting and making 90 degree angle. So answer is perpendicular. I am not writing full, but its answer will be perpendicular. Letter V, are they making angle? Yes, they are making angles, but not making a perpendicular. They are not making the angle of 90 degree. They are making acute angle. So answer is not perpendicular. Clear? Now students, we will talk about question 2. They are saying, let PQ be a perpendicular line to the line segment XY. Firstly, we make XY. This one question, student, you will do in the book. Line XY. Then they say PQ is a perpendicular of it. P and Q. And they say let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. They are intersecting at A. What is the measure of angle PA? Why? I said you, when two lines intersect and they are straight lines, they will always make 90 degree angle. So answer is PAV is equals to 90 degree. Clear? Now we do next question. Question 4. Study the diagram. You have to study. There is a line L which is perpendicular to line M. First question is CE. CE is this one, is equals to EG. If you count, there are coming 2 units, and if you count from the side, again they are coming 2 units. So are they equal? You write yes. Both measure 2 units. Clear? Now does PE bisect CG? Answer is yes. It is bisecting it because CE is equals to EG. So you can write B part answer. Yes, because CG CE, it's E, is equals to EG. Then they say identify any two line segment for which PE is perpendicular. P is the mid one line. So if I see P is perpendicular to BH, C part answer is BH, and DF, 2 you can give CE. Clear? So these are the lines. Then they say, are these true? AC. See, AC is greater than FG. Yes, there come 2 units, there come 1 unit. So answer is true. CD is equals to GH. True. BC is smaller than EH. Yes, true. Then fourth one, there are only 3 parts. Then we come to exercise 5.6. In 5.6, students, we will do different types of a triangle. I explained you last time also that there are 2 types of classification of a triangle. One on the basis of sides and other on the basis of angle. If I talk about the angles, if all the angles are less than 90, means 45, 25, 35, clear? So these angles are acute. So you write acute angle triangle. Clear? If any one of the triangle angle is 90, we say right angle triangle. Clear? And if any one of the angle is greater than 90, what we call? We call it obtuse angle triangle. So we have done this thing on the basis of angles. Now I will tell you about different types of triangle on the basis of its side. Clear? If two sides are equal, one is 4.5, other is also 4.5 and other is 5. So these type of triangles are called isosceles triangle. Clear? If all the sides are equal, it is 4, it is 4 and it is 4. We call it equilateral triangle. Clear? And if all sides are not equal, we call it, all sides are not equal. If one is 4, one is 3, one is 5, we call it scale. Clear? Now on the behalf of the students, we do 5.6. First question is you have to write down the name of a triangle. Clear? Now in A part, they said triangle with length of side 7, 8, 9. All are different, so we call scalar. Other is triangle in which one side is 8.7, other is 7, 6. Mean again different, so we call it scalar. Then if all the sides are equal, we call it equilateral triangle. They said in triangle DEF with measurement of angle D is 90, we call right angle. Because we are talking about angle, so right angle triangle. In triangle, if one angle is 90 and xy is equals to yz, means two sides are also equal and angle is of 90, we call these type of triangle is isosceles. Means firstly we write side name, isosceles, right angle triangle. Then F part, question is in triangle element one side is of 30, 70 and 80. All are less. So we call acute angle triangle. So you can do this question in the book only. Clear? Now we do next question, question number 2. That one also we do in the book. Question number 2 is when three sides of equal length. When three sides are of equal length, we call equilateral triangle. When two sides of equal length, we call it isosceles triangle. All sides are of different length, we call it scalene. When three acute angle, we call acute angle triangle. One right angle, we call right angle triangle. One obtuse angle, we call obtuse angle triangle. One right angle with two sides of equal length, we call isosceles right angle triangle. Clear? Now we will do question 3. Question number 3 is name each of the following triangles in two different ways. First, you see there is written all sides they have given, two sides are equal. They are of 5 centimeters. So what type of triangle it is? It is a angles will be smaller. If you observe from it, you observe it is the smallest one. So first answer is isosceles and acute angle triangle. Second one, if you see all sides are different, we call scalene triangle, because you have to give in two different ways. One is scalene triangle and second is right angle triangle. Clear? Now we do C part. In C part, if you observe, these type of triangles are obtuse angle and two sides are equal, we call obtuse. In two names you write obtuse angle triangle, and the second name is isosceles. Now D part. D part is two sides are equal, one is 90, we write right angle triangle and isosceles. Now F part, all sides are equal, so equilateral, and when all the sides are equal, it means they are equilateral triangle. You can observe that all sides are smaller than 90, so they are acute. One is acute angle triangles, a second name is equilateral. And in F part, all sides are different, so you write it scalene. And other name will be one angle is more than 90, obtuse angle triangle. Clear? Now, students, we do question number 1 of exercise 5.7. Each angle of a rectangle is right angle? Yes. The opposite side of a rectangle are equal in length? Yes, they are equal. The diagonal of a square are perpendicular to each other? Yes, because all sides are equal and diagonals also make perpendicular 90-degree angle. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length? Yes. All the sides of parallelogram are of equal length? No. Opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite side of a trapezium are parallel? No. Only one side of a trapezium are parallel. So answer is false. Clear, students? So students, today we have done exercise 5.5 and 5.6 and question number 1 of 5.7. Today we discuss classification of a triangle on the basis of angles and its sides. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.